Everyone says you must post every day to grow on social media, especially on YouTube. But that advice is not fully true. Just in 60 seconds you will know why you need to post less on YouTube to see fast growth. Stay with me. I know this because I grew multiple YouTube channels to decent subscribers in just a short period or time by posting only few video. So what changed? I stopped focusing on posting more and started focusing on posting better. When people say be consistent, they don't really mean post every day. What they should mean is this: practice every day. Content creation is a skill, just like learning a sport or playing an instrument. The more you practice, the better you get. But posting every day can make you tired, stressed, and rushed. And when you rush, your content becomes weak. Instead of posting many videos, focus on making one great video. Take your time. Spend days or even weeks on finding a strong idea, doing proper research, recording clearly, editing carefully. When you do this, your videos perform better. That's why some creators post every day but still get low views, while others post less and grow faster. The difference is simple: quality. Ask these 3 questions before posting anything on your channel. First, does this help anyone? Who is this for? What problem does it solve? If it doesn't help people, they won't watch. Second, is it interesting? Even a good idea can fail if it's boring. Tell your story in a way that keeps attention from start to finish. Third, is it better than similar videos? Look at others in your niche. Be honest, does your video stand out? If not, improve it. You don't need to post every day to grow. Instead, practice daily. Take your time. Focus on quality. Because one great video can do more than 10 average ones.